Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a board private on Pinterest. So once you're inside Pinterest, wherever you may are in your home page or whichever, just go ahead and click your profile on the upper right hand side. Then here you will want to choose the board that you want to make private. I'm going to take, for example, this tech one here. Click the pencil icon, and here you want to scroll down to where it's going to say keep this board a secret. Just check this box, guys, and it's going to make it secret, or it's going to basically private. As you can see as well, it says so only you and your collaborators can see. So if you have collaborators to this specific board, then it simply means that only they can see it. If you want to make this board private, that only you can see it, then it's important that you don't have any collaborators added to the board. So you just want to have yourself there under the collaborators section, and that's going to make it only private to you. But if others is a part of the board, only you and those persons will be able to see. So once you do that, just simply click on done, and that's it. The board is now private, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.